realizing that Al-Azhar is not the answer for America. That the tradition is not the only answer for Muslims in America. But a synthesis, as Dr. Sherman told me when I left to Egypt and started to study with one eye open, brother. Have a filter. Don't come back and regurgitate those classical texts here and expect that to work. Because those classical texts are not holy. Wajahat Ali, one of our dear brothers, he contacted me a few months ago about Dar al-Islam and Dar al-Harb, the land of Islam and the land of war. I told him, Wajahat, that's not found in the Quran, it's not found in the Sunnah. It has nothing to do with revelation. That's a political theory that was put together by a student of Abu Hanifa, Shaybani, who basically was acting as the Huntington of his age. Instead of the clash of civilizations, he was asked to describe the political climate of the Muslim world. Harun Rashid asked him, Sif ayyamana hadihi. And he said, Ayyamuna ya Amir al-Mu'mineen, aw daruna. He said, Sif darana. Describe our land and describe their land. He said, Daruna dar al-Islam wa darahum dar al-Harb. That was how this all started. Wajahat was like, what? I said, Wajahat, it's not in Quran, it's not in Sunnah. He said, I never knew this. I had always assumed that this was something that is like binding on us to hold on to. But if you look out through history, Imam al-Shashi, the great Muslim legal theorist, at the end of his lifetime, he says that, you know, this division is good, but it doesn't fit our days. And he took that stance and said, this is the land of Islam. This is the people who are not Muslims. That's how we'll divide these lands.